Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mohammad Inzamam from Saimedha Ecet Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad is providing free of cost YouTube video lectures for previous Ecet examination questions from the effective faculties of Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad. My dear students, in these video lectures every single day for all the branches EC, EEE, Mechanical, Civil and Computers. For all the branches every single day we are updating PYQs, previous Ecet examination questions. So what are you waiting for, guys? Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to be notified for the further more updates. Daily update చేస్తున్నాం. My dear students, in the era of where people are making everything as a business, Saimedha Koti Hyderabad is giving the coaching for online Ecet 2024-2025, offline Ecet 2024-2025 కి మనం కోచింగ్ అనేది న్యూ అడ్మిషన్ న్యూ బ్యాచెస్ అనేది ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఈ రోజుల్లో where 10th class admissions are going to be for month, effective faculties లో home tuitions కూడా పర్ మంత్ ఎవరైనా సరే 1000 రూపీస్ కంటే తక్కువ అంటే ఛార్జ్ చేయడం చాలా కష్టం. ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్, రెప్యూటెడ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ లో రెప్యూటెడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ ఉన్న ఫ్యాకల్టీ మెంబర్స్ తో మీరు 10th క్లాస్ హోమ్ ట్యూషన్స్ తీసుకోవాలన్నా సరే పర్ మంత్ దే విల్ బి డెఫినెట్లీ ఛార్జింగ్ మినిమం 1000 రూపీస్. అలాంటిది in and around for 1 year you will be getting a payment of around how much? 12,000. For SSC home tuition itself, if you are paying 12,000, guys, Saimedha Koti Hyderabad is providing 1.5 year coaching, 2 years coaching, 3 years coaching. Saimedha Koti Hyderabad lo coaching anedi first year diploma నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయినాయి, సెకండ్ ఇయర్ డిప్లొమా స్టూడెంట్స్ కి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది, థర్డ్ ఇయర్ డిప్లొమా స్టూడెంట్స్ కి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది. 3 years కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది, 2 years కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది, 1 year కోర్స్ ఉంటుంది. అలాంటిది టోటల్ కోర్సెస్ కూడా ఎప్పుడు మన దగ్గర ఫీజు అనేది 10,000 దాటలేదు. అందులో కూడా మళ్ళీ మెరిట్ పెట్టి పర్సెంటేజెస్ వైజ్ కన్సెషన్స్ పెట్టి ఎకనామికల్లీ బ్యాక్వర్డ్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో వాళ్ళని ఎంకరేజ్ చేయాలనే ఉద్దేశంతో మినిమం ఫీజెస్ తో మాక్సిమం కన్సెషన్స్ తో సాయిమేధ కోటి హైదరాబాద్ ఈస్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ ఎవ్రీ ఇయర్ కోచింగ్. రిజల్ట్స్ విషయానికి వస్తే యు నో ఇట్ గైస్, ఎవ్రీ సింగిల్ ఇయర్ టాప్ 5 బ్రాంచెస్ లో స్టేట్ ఫస్ట్ ర్యాంక్స్ తో పాటుగా మాక్సిమం ర్యాంక్స్ వాస్ సెక్యూర్డ్ బై సాయిమేధ కోటి హైదరాబాద్ ఓన్లీ. So my dear students, what are you waiting for? Ecet 2024, Ecet 2025, Ecet 2026 coaching has been started in the Saimedha Koti Hyderabad. ఎఫెక్టివ్ కోచింగ్ ఎక్కడైనా ఉంది, మనకు ఎక్స్పర్టైజ్డ్ ఫ్యాకల్టీస్ నుంచి ఎక్కడైనా కోచింగ్ ఉంది, డిజిటల్లీ రికార్డెడ్ వీడియో క్లాసెస్ ఒక సిస్టమాటిక్ ప్యాటర్న్ లో కోచింగ్ వీఆర్ ప్రొవైడింగ్ బోత్ ఆన్లైన్ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్లైన్. సో వాట్ ఆర్ యూ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్, గైస్? Download the app saimedha.in and press the bell icon to be notified for the every updates. Every single day we are going to be updating in the YouTube channel. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon to be notified, download the app saimedha.in and scrolling on the mobile numbers ki contact journey and join now in Saimedha Koti Hyderabad. At the end of the video I'll come back one more time for some more information. Till then, guys, watch the video now. Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Inayatullah from the Saimedha Coaching Center, Koti, Hyderabad. So in this video lectures we are going to cover all the previous Ecet questions of the engineering mechanics. Okay, already we have completed the previous Ecet questions of the first chapter, first topic what we have taken, forces and moments. That part we have completed. Now in this part we are going to discuss, in this video we are going to discuss the previous Ecet questions of the topic centroid and moment of inertia. Okay, so with this the all the engineering mechanics topics will be completed. Let us complete this part. Okay, what is the first question we are having? The units of moment of inertia. Actually moment of inertia what we are having. So first if you are discussing over here, first let us go with this concept. What is the meaning of first moment of area? What is the meaning of first moment of area? First moment of area, it is equals to area into distance. Area into distance, we are calling it as what? First moment of area. Now next, what is the meaning of second moment of area? Second moment of area means it is also called as moment of inertia. Now in this moment of inertia also we are having two types, area moment of inertia and mass moment of inertia. Okay, this we are calling it as a area moment of inertia. Now what is the formula for this part? We are having area into distance square. What we are having? Area into distance square. Okay, now listen carefully. So whenever we are measuring area over here, what we can write for this? We can write it as a meter square. Area means meter square, volume means meter cube, like that. Distance, again distance it is measured in meter, again we are having square for that part, means meter square. It is equals to what? Meter power 4 or else mm power 4, like that we have taken. But this part, this option, it is not given. So as I have told you already that moment of inertia we are having the two types. First we are having it as area moment of inertia
and mass moment of inertia. Area moment of inertia and mass moment of inertia. For area moment of inertia, what are the units we are getting over here? Meter power 4. Okay. Similarly, mass moment of inertia means what is the formula we can write now? Area into distance square we have taken. For area moment of inertia, we have written area into distance square. Similarly, for mass moment of inertia, what we have to write? Mass into distance square. Okay, what we are writing? Mass into distance square. So we have taken mass into distance square. Okay, mass means what we can write? Kg, and distance square means we can write it as kg meter square. Okay, so we are having the two units actually. First, if you are going with moment of inertia area, that is meter power 4, moment of inertia mass, then it is kg meter square. Kg meter square means second option is correct. Okay, now let us go with the next question. The area moment of inertia of a square of size 1 unit, size is given as 1 unit, about its diagonal is. So for this actually we are having the direct formula. I is equals to a power 4 by 12. Okay, a power 4 by 12 directly formula we have to remember, or else if you are seeing this part, listen carefully. Now we have taken this square over here, we have taken this square, and we have to find out the moment of inertia at this diagonal over here. Okay, this diagonal we are taking. Now actually whenever we are taking the triangle over here, listen carefully, why we are discussing about triangle? Suppose we have taken this triangle. Okay, this part we are taking it as B. Let us take it as B, and this part we are taking it as a H. Okay, we are getting the point, centroid point over here. Okay, so let us take this part. Okay, so this is A we have taken, or else let us take it as A, B, and this part as C we have taken. This part as C we have taken. Okay, this is XX, like this we have taken. Okay, now as we already know, moment of inertia for a triangle at XX, it is equals to what we are having? BH cube by 36. Okay, this part we are having. Similarly, what is moment of inertia at the base? If you want to find out the base over here, by using parallel axis theorem, we can write directly this part as IAB, it is equals to BH cube by 12. Okay, this two formula we are having over here. Okay, now listen carefully. Now what we are having? So whenever we are having this part, 1 is given over here. Now what is the diagonal formula we are having? Diagonal formula, it is root 2 into A. What we are, suppose we have taken this part as A side. Okay, A side we have taken. So diagonal will be what? Root 2A. Now this part we are taking it as one triangle, and this part we are taking it as what? Second triangle. Okay, we are dividing that square into two triangles. If you have taken this first triangle we are taking it like this. Okay, plus again second triangle we are taking this part. Okay, so this base, what we have, the base is same for first and second triangle. The base is same for first and second triangle means first triangle what we have taken root 2A, and this is also what? Root 2A. Okay, this part we have taken. Now what is the height we are having? Now listen carefully. Listen carefully. Suppose this is a square we are having over here. If this is a diagonal root 2A, similarly what will happen? Suppose this is a diagonal root 2A, and this part also will become what? Root 2A only. Yes or no? This part, this diagonal is also what? Root 2A. So if this complete part is root 2A, now if you want to find out the distance from this point to this point, means height we have to find out of the triangle over here, only this. This is half we have taken, this is half we have taken. So complete diagonal is what? Root 2A. But if you are taking the half means what we can take? Root 2A divided by 2. Half means what we are taking? Root 2A divided by 2. Okay, so what we can write if you are doing rationalization for this part? Rationalization means root 2 by root 2 we have taken. Root 2 into root 2 means 2. This 2 gets cancelled. It is equals to A by root 2. Okay, means this part we are getting it as A by root 2, and this part we are getting it as A by root 2. Okay, like this we have taken. So we have taken the height now. What is the height we are getting means, let us take the height as A by root 2, and this is also height we have taken it as A by root 2. Okay, now if you want to find out the square moment of inertia of the square part, if you are calculating over here, then it is equals to, we are getting the two triangles which is same. So we are taking this part as 2 into moment of inertia of a triangle. Okay, so which is equals to 2 into, now we are calculating this part. Okay, so what we have taken? BH cube by 12 means base part, we are calculating the base over here. So BH cube divided by 12, which is equals to 2 we have taken into, what is the base we are having over here? Root 2 into A, into what is the h we are having? A by root 2. So a by root 2 whole cube divided by 12. Okay, like this we have taken. If you have taken this part, now what will happen? It is equals to, this part will become a cube. A cube into a means what? A power 4. This part we have taken it as a power 4. Now next, this root 2 whole cube we are having. 1 root 2 gets cancelled. More 2 root 2's we are having. So root 2 again square we are having. So root 2 square means square root gets cancelled, and this 2 part, okay, let us write 2 over here. In this we are getting this part as 1 by 2 divided by 12. This 2 gets cancelled, it is equals to a power 4 by 12. Okay, so if you are remembering directly means no need to waste the time all this part, directly you have to remember the answer. What is the formula for moment of inertia of the square about its diagonal? Means I is equals to what? A power 4 by 12. Directly if you are remembering, then it is equals to, what is a value is given over here? So what is the a value we are having over here? A value, it is equals to 1 power 4. 1 power 4 means 1 divided by 12. Okay, so the answer is what? 1 by 12. 1 by 12 option is not given over here. If the 1 by 12 is option is not given, then we have to divide that part. So if you are dividing this 1 by 12, it is approximately like 0.08. Okay, so option 1 is correct. Now next, the centroid of a semicircular lamina of a radius r will be. Semicircular lamina is given, means semicircle. If you are taking semicircle over here, listen carefully. This is a semicircle we have taken. Okay, this is a semicircle we have taken. Now next, let us take the centroid point over here. Okay, this is a centroid point we have taken. This part we are taking it as y. Let us take this part as r we have taken, and this part we are taking it as x, this is y, and this complete part we are taking it as d. This is diameter. Okay, like this we have taken. Now actually what is the formula for area? Area we are having it as pi r square by 2. Okay, for semicircle we are having the formula as pi r square by 2. Now next, if you want to find out x bar means what we are having? D by 2. What we are having? D by 2, which means it is equals to r, radius. Okay, directly we can find out the x bar value, x. Okay, centroid, whenever we are finding this part, x bar, it is equals to d by 2, r we have taken. Now y bar, if you want to calculate the y bar over here, listen carefully. For the semicircle, what is y bar formula we are having? 4r by 3 pi. Okay, we are having this part, 4r by 3 pi. So if you want to calculate y, means it is from what? It is from the base. From the base, whenever we are calculating this, we are getting the y, means 4r by 3 pi. Let us check the options now. At center of the semicircle, on axis of symmetry, at a distance of 4r by 3 pi from its base, 2r by 3 pi, 3r by 4 pi, like that is given. Okay, from the base means 4r by 3 pi. 4r by 3 pi means from its base we are having over here. So second option is correct. Okay, in this also directly in centroid and moment of inertia, formulae will be most important. If you by heart the formulae, if you have remembered the formulae, it will become very easy. Okay, the questions will become very easy. Directly you can write the answers. Now let us see the next question. A triangle is formed by joining the points 0, 3, 0, 0 and 6, 0. The coordinates of the of its centroid will be. Now whenever we are having this centroid, we have to find out the centroid, and points are given. Some 3 points are given for the triangle over here. So what we are taking, some 3 points we have taken, this triangle, like this triangle we have taken over here, 3 points we are having. So points are 0, 3, 0, 0 and 6, 0. Okay, like this we have taken. Now we have to find out the coordinates. Coordinates means what we are taking over here, x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Okay, like this we have taken. Okay, this part. So what is x1 value? X1, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is x3 y3. Okay, so x1 plus x2 plus x3, 0 plus 0 plus 6. 0 plus 0 plus 6 means 6 by 3, comma, then 3 plus 0 means 3 by 3, it is equals to 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 ones are 3 ones are, means 2, 1. Okay, so we are getting the answer as 2, 1. 2, 1 means which option will be correct over here? fourth option. Okay, fourth option is completed. So with this Centroid, we have completed all the previous Ecet questions of the Centroid and moment of inertia. So engineering mechanics topic is completed. Thank you very much.
So thank you very much guys for watching this video till the end. Definitely this video has been improvised your subject knowledge and definitely given you an idea about how the previous Ecet examination question is getting up here. Again one more time guys, ee video ni meeru nachite kachithanga like cheyandi, share cheyandi, subscribe cheyandi and press the bell icon to be notified for the further more updates guys. Admissions అనేది ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయినాయి. ఈసెట్ 2024, ఈసెట్ 2025, ఈసెట్ 2026 ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ వాళ్ళకి, సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వాళ్ళకి, థర్డ్ ఇయర్ వాళ్ళకి ఆల్రెడీ ఈసెట్ కోచింగ్ అనేది ఆన్లైన్ కోచింగ్ అండ్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కోచింగ్ new batches is going to be started guys. So my dear students, what are you waiting for? Download the app saimedha.in. మీకు ఏ డౌట్స్ ఉన్నా సరే మన స్క్రోలింగ్ లో ఉన్న మొబైల్ నంబర్స్ కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి. Join now in Saimedha Koti, Hyderabad. Thank you very much. This is Mohammad Inzamam signing off.